gonna do a photo shoot right away before I head to the office. Hey yo, what's happening? What's happening, yo? It's been a while. It's been a while. I haven't made a travel video. First thing first. All right, see how we can get to a factory as early as possible. Damn, it's never been easy. This is cool, man. Yeah. Okay guys, finally I am in the train right now. I made my way to train station, and I'm on my way right now to a factory that do produce cutting disc used by panabitas, iron benders who fabricate tools, and so they use to cut metals or to file metals or file stones. And so it's a consumable product, which means consumers will need this item frequently. I reached out to this company. The quality is superb. I received some samples also that they can support me with some promotion materials and stuff like that. So I want to go do my own photo shoot that I'm gonna use for promotion. Whatever I'm gonna be marketing, they should give me the authorization, and I should be the only one to market in that country. I'm gonna show you guys around this factory as soon as I get there. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just made my way finally to the city. It's called Yongkang. I'm doing some registration, you know, local registration due to the coronavirus, stuff like that. So I'm heading to where someone from the factory is waiting for me. I'm not quite sure, but I'm just gonna go around and check that, and then because they just sent me a text message that they are here to pick me up. So let me go around. I just got to the factory, and this is the logo. Their workshop already, and we're gonna do a photo shoot right away before I head to the office. It's almost getting dark right now.
Okay.
Perfect. we're gonna check out the order I placed in this factory and see if they've completed the order or not. I'm not quite sure. When are you going to finish?
Now already go to eat the dinner, but later they will, after dinner, they will come back and continue work until to 9 o'clock.
Okay, all right. What is the total?
Every day overload the working. 20,000.
20,000. Oh, yeah. 20,000. All right. Yes, check. Let's see. Is the office? Hey. This is the engineer.
20,000.
20,000.
不是说你中国话讲得很好的。
9月17号完成的。
9月17号。
他可能还在睡觉摇哦。
9月17号结束吗
？9月17号这边做完然后放回家。
没问题，我就是要确定，因为现在你货不能发出来，你们可能扣完就是结，
做完结就是全部都好。
我已经给你做完。
OK。
现在已经是全部做完了。
行 ，OK。
因为他现在烘箱有点忙，可能还会再烘箱。
行 ，OK。
哎，我们到时候我可以到时候把所有产品的照片拍给你。
完成。
哎
，OK， 好的，没问题。All right, I just wanted to find out if they've already started. If you guys have started the order, so. October 1st is Chinese holiday and it's gonna last for 5 days. After 5 days, the order is ready. You're gonna be sending it out and I'm so excited. Are you happy about it?
Yes.
All right.
We are waiting next order.
Sure, next order is coming. Oh, yes. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you on the next video. Ciao, bye-bye.